Yeah, you know. Show you the lifestyle a man like to wake up to. So I say, yeah man, it's a good look. My lifestyle, you know. I we say dirty face, teeth in a brush. In the morning, see you know, we know the business. Business about nothing. So I say, yeah! Right, boy? Blessed morning. Go.
Good morning.
Choo choo. Nah. Yes, it's a good look. Judge, bless the oats. Well, go on, peeps. Romario here,
And this is Janelle.
and we are going to.
White River rafting.
So come along with us.
So of course at this point we met up with our rafter, Errol.
Errol,
Boss Errol put up on him raft, man.
which is him called the Irie Raft.
Yes, it was an Irish raft.
Yeah.
Of course, me didn't think it kinda shaky. But
It depends on the water where you expect.
yeah man, firm and strong. It's beautiful. The red dragon flowers was on it, and of course Errol had the vibes. He had his music playing.
Yeah.
Pumping, and him a go through, show what the things them as
we go along, you know.
go along.
It was a lovely scenery and stuff like that. So let's check it out.
Let's check it out. Alright guys, so after a breathtaking 15 to 20 minutes up this river, we got to this beautiful scenery. It was so breathtaking.
You would call it right there the chill spot for us for the day.
Yes. We couldn't go any further because up the river is owned by a private entity.
Yes.
But we didn't have to go any further. It was amazing.
Because right here, we have all the fun right here.
Amazing. And of course, as we put on the screen, it's about 6 feet or more deep. And me and the water and the 6 feet, something never did go work. But I was here to enjoy myself,
yes.
And so we did.
Oh God, man.
So let's check it out. Let's see some of the things that we did.
Yeah, bro.
Can wave to the camera and all this.
Oh my god.
What's on?
Oh my god.
Yeah, man, wave to the camera.
I'm clinging on for my life.
Nice one, she like it, man.
Oh my god.
Now tell us this, everybody like, you know? That's how we do it, man.
Yeah.
This is so free though.
You ready for chuck off?
Oh hell no. I ain't gonna do that. Alright, no more pushing. No more pushing. Let's calm this thing down. You gonna have to grab it back and stop it?
Now, if you want to stop in the water, water in it. Just get some way for a little picture in that stuff.
Great Earl, you know. Oh.
So guys, we had a fantastic time up this river. Look at my man.
Hey, yeah, man, I meet that one.
Sir, angle the raft and I'm angling the raft.
Yeah, man.
So this is for all the nature lovers. We enjoyed every bit of it.
Yes.
From the birds chirping
To the swing.
to the sound of the water.
Oh, God, man, the coolness of the water also.
It was amazing.
White River rafting.
So if you guys want to have a relaxing time, this is definitely one of the places to be. We had a fun-filled time.
And now it's your time to go and check it out.
Yes guys, go check it out
Please remember to like, share,
and subscribe.